Hi everyone, learns to boost your productivity. Into this video, I am going to show you 10 essential keyboard shortcuts you should know. Here, Ctrl plus A, all select. Ctrl plus B, bold. Ctrl plus C, copy. Ctrl plus D, duplicate. Ctrl plus E, alignment. Center, side. Ctrl plus F, find. Ctrl plus G, grow, go to. Ctrl plus H, replace. Ctrl plus I, italic. Ctrl plus J, justify. Ctrl plus K, hyperlink. Ctrl plus A, alignment. Left side. Ctrl plus M, new slide. Ctrl plus N, new document. Ctrl plus O, open. Ctrl plus Ctrl plus P, print. Ctrl plus K, U, build. Ctrl plus R, alignment. And right side. Ctrl plus S, save. Ctrl plus T, new tab. Ctrl plus U, underline. Ctrl plus B, paste. Ctrl plus W, close the windows. Ctrl plus X, cut. Ctrl plus Y, radio. Ctrl plus Z, undo. That's it for today. Mastering this shortcut will help you work faster and smarter with one